Hello guys, today we continue our lesson. So today we're gonna study about deposit crypto to wallet. So we have 4 points. The first is buying coins direct from Visa card. So you open your Binance.com that you can check out in description below. Binance.com like this, and enter. So you can see here buy crypto here, click. So you have here credit and debit card, click on it. So you buy dollar, yeah? Dollar two. So what kind of coin you want to buy? So I recommend you to buy USDT. Why? Because this coin is stable. So if you buy BTC or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin, it's not stable. If you convert to other coin, it's simply difficult. So I recommend you to use this USDT. So how much money you want to buy? 100. So you will receive 98.48 USDT. So you click and then click continue. So here you buy from Visa card. If you don't have Visa card, you can add another one, but I have already. So how to add it? Just click here. So the name is automatically filled by itself because when you create a Binance, you complete the correct name, so that's why it automatically come up here by itself. And then your card number, what is your Visa card, expire date, security code, complete it and click next, and we're done. And then I select this because I create already, click confirm, and then click continue. Okay, so here you see here you spend $100 from your bank Visa card, and then you receive this amount in your wallet in this Binance. So the price 1 USDT equal $1.02, and the fee costs $2. Yeah, very expensive. So yeah, and then you click confirm. Click I have read this. Click refresh. And click confirm it, and then I will done. Okay. So this the advantage of number one is free a lot, mean cost free. It's very cost free. Example, if you buy previous 1,000, how much you will get? You see, it costs $20. You receive 184, it costs $20. Very expensive. See, $20. So I not recommend you to buy direct from Visa card. Okay, so that's all for number one. Number two, transfer from other platform, freelancer. Okay, so when you open your Binance, it will show up like this. Okay, so and then click on here, wallet, trading spot. Click on deposit. Okay. Okay, what kind of coin that you want to buy? Bitcoin, USDT, or other? But I recommend you to buy USDT. And what is your network you want to buy? This is the low fee. This is is very low. TRX Tron, this is very low fee. And then you copy this one and send to someone else by Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, WhatsApp, any, and then you send money to him, and then he will transfer the money to you by this address. And make sure you give him this correct name and USDT, and you can screenshot this and send to him. Make sure he know what coin network and address you send to him, and then he will send you the money. That's freelancer, but this is risk, very risk. This is very risk. Okay, this is buy from P2P. Okay, so where to buy it? To buy it, okay, you click on Binance.com. Okay, so P2P. Here, click here. Yeah, buy crypto, P2P trading. Okay, so you wanna buy. Okay, important is just want you fade. Yeah, the scheme. Okay. Okay, if you don't know, they will tell you how to buy, how to sell. But I know. Click on buy here. What amount you wanna buy? With example, $1,000. Okay. And then payment. And this is you wanna buy USDT. USD. Okay, they will want you the scam, yeah, because here we have scam here. And here, what kind of payment you are? For me, I'm Cambodia. I use ABA Bank. Okay, so amount $1,000 US dollar ABA. So there are many exchange. Like we have Exchange Pro, Louis by Queen. So the limit here, see, they have between this money budget for you to buy. And one more, you see the blue verify. That's called it's verified by the Binance. If you can click this one, see this also include no verify. But you click this verify. You see the verify. I recommend you to use verify because it verified by Binance. Example, this is the fee. Yeah, 121. This is cheaper. Click on buy here. 1,000. How much you will get? Okay, I wanna buy 1,000. So you will get $9.89. It costs 11, yeah, but if you buy from credit card, it costs $20. Okay, click buy here. Okay. You can chat to them. Hi, are you available now? Yeah, wanna get money from you. So this is bank account. So you can send money to his address here. He use ABA full name, and you screenshot all of this. Make sure they are not scam. So you buy $1,000, you will get this amount. That's cheaper than buy direct from AB from the bank. And then you click transfer here after you send money. Send money to this account. Click transfer. So it will pending to him. and then he will send you the money, and then it will complete. Yeah, that's all for buy from P2P. And the last one, buy from Binance Pay. So you click Binance.com. Binance Pay is also risk, but unfortunately, it's not risk if you know the freelancer. If you know the freelancer, it's not risk. Or other Binance. So when you enter Binance.com, click on here. See Binance Pay. So if you not create your Binance Pay, you can create it. It's just click next and create pin. So I have this my Binance Pay. You can pay money from here. And click on oh no, I'm sorry. So you click on receive because you buy from someone else. You click receive. So you send this QR code to him, or copy this to him, and ask him to send money you. But you have to send money him also by other bank or other transaction. Okay. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.